5 is very easy. Everybody knows 5, but we can still talk about it. 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and then 50. 6 is the same way. Just count it as if you are counting 1, 2, 3 without applying this times this. So 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, and 72. Then let's talk about 7. I need to clean here. 7 is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 54, 63, 70, 77, 84. Okay, this is 56. Now let's talk about 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, and 96. Then I want to say something about this 8 multiplication. This 8 is just a particular number that students find very difficult. They said 8 is difficult, but 8 is not difficult. All you need to do in 8 times is to know that 8 times 1 is 8. The next thing you will do is to subtract 2 from the last number, which is the 8. You have your 6. You subtract 2 here, you have your 4. Just be subtracting 2. When you subtract 2, you have your 2. You subtract 2, you have 0. You start again with 8. Then you subtract 2, 6. You subtract 2, 4. You subtract 2, you have 2. You subtract the 2, you have 0. And that sequence, it goes that way. Now, all you need to do in this other side is you just add your 1, 2, 3. This is 0 in numbers. You count 0, you count 1, you count 2, 3, 4, and then you 0. So you repeat the 4. After 4, you still count your normal counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 0. You repeat the 8. And then 9. It goes in that sequence. So let's look at 9 times. Many students also, once you tell them to recite or tell you any number that is multiplied by 9, all we get is, I don't know, 9 is difficult. But 9 is just counting in 1. Just if they know they are 1, 2, 3, which is the normal basics in counting, they can get the counting in 9. So let's look at 9 now. This is 9 times 1, 9. All I will do is to be subtracting 1 from what I have already. So 9 times 2, I need to subtract 1 from 9. What will I get? I will have 8. I subtract 1 from 8, I have 7. I subtract 1 from 7, I have 6. I subtract 1, I have 5. And then 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I start with my 9 again. 9, 8, 7, 6, just as the case may be. Now, like I said, you subtracted. The other side you will add. Remember I said our counting starts from 0. Let's start our 0. Now we will add at the left hand side. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. Plus 1, 4. Plus 1, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, once you have 0, you repeat the 9. We continue. This is 10, 11, and like that. So you do not need to say your multiplication table is hard, that you can't understand it or you don't know them. All you need to understand is the sequence of operation, the way it is going. Some other persons, when you ask them of 12 times, they say, it's too hard. They don't know 12 times. But you know your 2 times. That's exactly why I started with 1, 2, 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You know your 2 times. That automatically you know your 12 times. Just look at 12 times. This is 12, which is 12 times 1. All I do at the right hand side is to be doing my number 2 times. So everybody knows 2 times. So let's go. Let's do it together. 2. The next one will be what? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Like that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And so forth and so on. Now let's come here and be adding our 1. This is 1. This time around it started with 1, not 0 like 8 and 9. Here is 1. The next one will be 2, 3, 4, 5. But we carried 1 here. So it makes this one to be what? 6. After 6, we continue 7, 8, 9. After 9, 10. After 10, this is going to be 120. Because you carried 1. Once it is 0, you add double the number. This is just the 12 times that everybody is talking about. Very simple. Very simple. So this is to tell us that we are in a good place, because this channel will make mathematics very simplified and easy for us to understand. So in the next class, we'll be looking at other topics that will interest us. See you in the next class. Bye.